Hello, in this video we'll see about what is an OMS, that is Outage Management System, and how it integrates with GIS, Geographical Information Systems, in electrical utilities. What is an Outage Management System? An Outage Management System, OMS, is a software application designed to detect, manage, and resolve power outages in electric distribution networks. It provides utilities with the tools to detect outage in real time, predict affected areas or customers, dispatch crews efficiently, communicate with the customers, analyze outage trends, and improve further reliability. OM is often integrated with SCADA system, that is a supervisory control and data acquisition system, AMI, advanced meter interface, and especially GIS, it's a geographical information system, to improve accuracy and speed of outage response. How is outage management system integrated with geographical information systems? GIS provides location-based intelligence, which is essential for outage management system to function efficiently. Asset location. GIS provides the exact spatial position of a transformer, switches, feeders, and customers. Network topology. GIS provides network connectivity via geometric or utility network models that outage management system uses to trace affected areas and customers. Outage visualization. Outages are displayed on real-time GIS maps, allowing inter-crew dispatch. Customer mapping. GIS links meter points or customer IDs to physical addresses for accurate impact assessment. Data sharing. Bidirectional integration allows GIS updates some new assets to flow into outage management system and outage information to flow back to GIS apps. GIS and OMS integration overview. So GIS system, either you can choose a ESR ArcGIS or a GIS Small World or any open source GIS packages. The middleware, the integration layer, is either APIs or web services. Okay, and outage management system, either you can use any popular one like Oracle NMS or a GE Power on Hexagon or a custom built OMS. The outage management system having the subsystems like a crew management, crew to reach the failure location and restore, and the messaging queue, that is the outage customers intimate to the customers reason of outage and when it will be restored. Okay, GIS is a visualization tool. Outage management system is a set of tools to restore the outage failure. Real world use case, GIS plus OMS, outage management system. A storm knocks out a substation breaker. SCADA sends alert to OMS. OMS triggers outage prediction using a GIS network. GIS shows the affected area. It is if it is in a substation breaker, so at least 2000 plus customers affected. Outage management system sends SMS alert to those customers who are affected. Field crew is dispatched via mobile GIS app to reach the outage location. Outage is restored through update status. Outage management system and GIS dashboard reflects power restored. Next we'll see GIS plus OMS workflow. GIS provides asset network, that is a spatial plus connectivity model. SCADA AMI detects outage and sends to OMS. Outage management system uses GIS to trace either upstream or downstream from fault. OMS identifies affected customers and assets. Outage management system updates outage status to customer notified. GIS map shows outage polygon and customer impacted with a gray color or something. Crew is dispatched via web and mobile GIS app. Crew updates outage management system and the GIS system on a restoration in real time. Outage management system updates outage status and customer notified. Why OMS benefit in utilities? Faster outage detection, automatically detects and localize fault using SCADA and AMI data. Improve crew efficiency. Dispatch the nearest crew with the right skills and tools based on GIS location. Customer communication. Sends SMS or email updates and ETS estimation time using a customer mapping from GIS. Regulatory compliance. Generate reports for utility regulators. Resilience and planning. Helps identify grid vulnerabilities and plan system hardening. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. I will come up with many more videos on Geographic Information System and utilities. Thank you.